How are you, everyone? My name is Coach Shelton. So today we are moving on to variation number 2 or phase number 2 for nhemamusasa. Right. Remember last time we were saying right. So today we are going to do key separation. Key separation. Remember nhemamusasa has got 4 stages. Right. So the first stage today we are starting with the right hand. Please note that today we are starting with the right hand or right thumb. So we are starting when I'm saying 3 2. Today is the opposite. 3 2, I mean 3 right and 2 lefts. Like this, we are separating like 3 2. Right. So a little bit faster it. Then we move on to 1 2, right from your right hand, then 2 from your left hand. Remember, you are starting with your right thumb. Then 1 1, 1 from your right and 1 from your left. That's the first stage. Then we move on to the second stage. The second stage, when we are playing doubles, it's so separating. We are starting with 3 2, 3 from your right, remember, and 2 from your left. Then 4 3. Then 1 4, 1 from your right and 4 from your left. Right. So that's the stage number 2. So combining the first stage and the second stage, it's 3 2, 1 2, 1 1, 3 2, 4 3, 1 4. Then the next stage, it's 2 1, then 4 3, then 1 4. That's the third stage. Then the final stage, which is the fourth stage, it's 3 2, 1 2, then 2 2. Right. So from the first stage to the last stage is first stage, second stage, third stage, fourth stage. So a little bit faster. We are now increasing the tempo. Thank you so much. If you are done, you are free to send your recording to my inbox. Thank you.